Okay. Chris, you can do this. Come on, just put your fingers on the keys and type. Joe, bro. Come on, man. Seriously?
What, do you want any?
No, I don't want some. I'm trying to write my paper. Why would I want some pretzels, man? I'm trying to focus. Oh my god, Joe, shut up! Fuck this, I'm going upstairs. Chris, come on. You can do this. Only 2 hours left to write this paper. Just think, Chris. Think. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. Joe, shut up! This is unbelievable. Alright, now I can focus. Joe's in the shower. There's no more disturbances. I can do...
Hello? What is this? A survey for the most annoying things in the world? How long is this gonna take? 2 hours? Yeah, I'm not doing anything. That's fine. I'll do it.
Oh my god. How are you still doing this? Just let me write my paper! Ah!